How to change or restore the Videos folder icon in Windows. Your Videos folder holds all your media, but in a sea of similar looking icons, it can be easy to lose track of. Want to make your Videos folder stand out or restore it to its default look? Let's walk through both processes step by step. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub for more tech content like this. Different ways to change the Videos folder icon. To change the Videos folder icon, start with the easy method. Open File Explorer and go to C:users/your username. Right-click the Videos folder and choose Properties. From there, click the Customize tab and then the Change Icon button. Pick from the list or browse to a custom .ico file you've saved. Click OK, then Apply to confirm. For advanced users, there's a second method using the desktop.ini file. First, enable hidden items in File Explorer. Open the Videos folder and locate desktop.ini. Open it in Notepad and add. Be sure to replace the path with your actual icon file. Save and restart File Explorer. Now, if you want to restore the default icon, just return to Properties, Customize, Change Icon, and click Restore Defaults. Click Apply, then OK. Using the Registry editor. There's also a more technical route through the Registry editor. Open it by pressing Windows plus R, typing regedit, and navigating to HKey, Current, User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Explorer, Shell folders. Look for any custom path tied to the Videos folder and delete it. Restart Explorer or reboot your PC to apply the change. Third-party tools and shortcuts. Third-party tools like Icon Packager or Customer Folder can simplify this process, but be sure to download them from trusted sources. You can also create a shortcut to the Videos folder and assign a custom icon there. One last note. If your changes don't appear right away, refresh the icon cache. Open Command Prompt and run. That should do it. For more information, check out our official blog post on changing the Videos folder icon linked in the description below.